If your battery light comes on and you lose power steering on your Mini Cooper R50, R52, or R53, it's your alternator. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Baldadonis and I buy and sell cars as a hobby, and I bring you guys along with me showing the pros and cons of each vehicle I buy. Now this is episode number 7 on this Money Pit Mini Cooper. A little background on it. This is a 2006 Mini Cooper S with a rare space blue metallic paint, which is only used on the Checkmate Edition cars. I also have a bunch of options, including the Black Panther interior. Also, I have a Alta Performance exhaust intake and a 15% pulley for an extra, I don't know, maybe 15 to 20 horsepower, so it should bring it around the 190 horsepower area. As you can see from the last videos, I did take off the Checkmate or the checker decals because one side was peeling just a little bit and was enough to drive me bananas, so I got rid of both decals. So here are the other videos up here, and here is everything I've done to the car so far. So let me get into it just a little bit. I was complaining about my rear right caliper, or my driver's side caliper, freezing up a little bit when I put the emergency brake down, and I was going to take it to my friend Dave at European Auto Solutions in Hudson, New Hampshire, and I was bringing the car to have him check it out. Now I pulled over and went for a walk with my friend Jim, and after an hour I got back in the car, I started it up, the battery light came on, and I lost my power steering. Don't freak out, guys. This is what happens when you have an electric power steering. All right, so let's bring it to my friend Dave at European Auto Solutions and let's get that alternator in. So the reason why I was bringing it down to the shop was because of that sticking caliper. So let's get that fixed. Let's take a look. Oh, wow. Yep.
Don't let go.
Now, normally you would do both calipers, but those rear brakes were fairly new. So I just replaced the caliper, the rotor, and those pads. In a second, I'm gonna use my Insta360 camera for this next shot. This is me driving the vehicle in my neighborhood. So guys, I want you to enjoy that little clip. It's about 3 minutes long, but it's such a fun camera. If you guys get a chance, look into the Insta360X3s. So until the next video, everybody. Oh, wait a minute. I do this all the time. Other car videos. I still have my Saab convertible that I still have to fix. The car is ready to go. Unfortunately, the top stopped working when a potential buyer was looking at it, and it crapped out on me. I was like, you gotta be kidding me. So that should be coming up this week, I'm hoping. I still have my 2004 Porsche Boxster that I'm still making a video on. What else? Oh, my 2009 BMW 528i X-Drive. That will be another video coming up. And I do my travel videos throughout New England and whatever else I feel like making. So until the next video, Baldadonis out.